We got some clip removal tools to look at today from Vessel. These are made in Japan. This is a two-piece set in a sliding plastic case. Let's open it up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Vessel reached out and asked me if I'd be willing to take a look at this two-piece set of their clip removal tools. And I said, absolutely. So here it is. Let's open this up and take a closer look. Now, as I mentioned, it's a two-piece set and it comes in this little sliding plastic case. And there they are. We've got two different sizes. Now, the part number on this two-piece set is 970CR2SC. This smaller one here is 970CR6 by 110, and it does say made in Japan, stamped right there. Now, the part number on this larger one, 970CR7-12 by 120. Again, it says made in Japan right there on the handle. A little bit bigger handle here, very comfortable to use. Now, I've got several Vessel screwdrivers, but I really like the Megadora style of handle. It fits in your hand really well, and these are going to be easy to use or easy to pull some clips out. There's a close-up look at the forked end here, just so you can kind of see what they look like. Now, the smaller one is pretty much a straight V with a little radius on the inside. This one here is almost like a stepped V. You see, it still has a radius on the inside, but it kind of steps down from that point there. Now, it seems like today most cars are covered in these little plastic rivets or push pins. You know, all of the engine covers, a lot of times the belly pan, and even a lot of the inner fender wells or bumper covers, they're just covered with these things. And a lot of jobs you end up having to take off, you know, a half dozen of these. You know, if you don't have the right tool, you may end up breaking them, but it is so nice to have a clip tool like this. You get up underneath that little centerpiece, pop it out, and you're on to the next one. You know, I used to just reach for one of those little mini screwdrivers or pocket pry bars, and that will work. You can get them out. Even some diagonals occasionally, you know, if you can get the right angle, you can pry them out. But these little forks are perfectly spaced out. All you have to do is just reach underneath there and pry them out. I've got a Honda Odyssey minivan in the driveway. Let's take this outside and see how it does with removing a clip. Yeah, that is perfect. This is so easy. And here's a RAV4. Man, that is so much easier to use than a screwdriver or a mini pry bar. That is just a piece of cake. This just pops right out. Well, there you go. That worked amazing. Now, there's a lot of the smaller size of plastic rivets as well, and that's where this smaller one is going to come in handy. Let's say that that is snapped in place, and all you have to do is get up underneath there, pry it out, and you're done. Piece of cake. I think you can probably use the larger size on this small clip here too. You know what? Looks like the metal part is a little too thick to get up underneath there. So that is nice that they include both. Yeah, that's so much easier. It just pops right up underneath there and you're done. I'd say that these will cover you for just about any size of plastic rivet or push pin that is on cars today. You know, one of the reviews online said if you're thinking about it, just buy them. The amount these will change your life if you deal with plastic rivets really justifies the cost. As usual, you can expect premium quality from Vessel brand. I mean, if you know, you know. If you're a lube tech and you're getting up underneath these vehicles, a lot of times you have to pull a couple of those plastic rivets in order to get to the oil filter through the belly pan. You know, sometimes that oil filter access, you've got to pull a couple of these clips. And if you don't have the right tool, you know, you have a tendency to just want to yank that off, but that's not the right thing to do. Just get yourself one of these and you can take them out properly and even reuse them without having to worry about that plastic dragging down the road and have your customer come back and get upset with you. But these are perfect clip remover tools. Really happy that Vessel sent them to me. Again, in this little sliding plastic case. I don't know if I'll keep them in there, but it sure is nice to have both sizes. And I have to agree with one of the other reviews as well. It says, works perfect on automotive push pins, better than diagonals or a screwdriver on push pins. The pair will cover the full range of sizes, I believe. And I have to agree with that. I think the pair of these will cover just about any size of those push pins or plastic rivets that you're gonna run into on just about any car today. Well, that's pretty much it. Just wanna say thanks again to Vessel for sending these to me in exchange for this quick little unboxing and review video. And I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up your very own set of clip removal tools from Vessel as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.